Hindi po nagtatago si Senator Bato de la Rosa. Kung kayo daw, sasabihan, may waran sa iyo, galing sa isang bansa na hindi pa natin nakita, galing sa isang korte na hindi natin nirerespeto. Sasabihin bigla ng DOJ, ay meron na pala kaming natanggap dito na ICC, dakpin ka namin, hindi na idadaan sa korte natin. Tama kayo? Kayo daw, dakpin daw. Hindi kayo magtatago, daw sa Rimulya kung meron siyang warrant of arrest. Tingnan natin kung hindi siya magtatago. We just want a legal clarification. They cite Section 17 of Republic Act 9581. There are two modalities by which you can allow yourself to be under the jurisdiction of another foreign court. One, extradition. Second, surrender. But it must be pursuant to applicable extradition laws and treaties. Dalawa lang yan. Extradition laws. What are our laws? PD 1096. Sinasabi nila, hindi po pwede po ang extradition laws. Kasi po, under PD 96 and pursuant to Rule 1, Section 3M of the said rules, the requesting state would be the foreign state and ICC not being a state, and therefore, that is not covered. Hindi ako nag-agree yan, but granting ex argumenti gracia yan na. Okay, di na lang tayo magtatago, hindi ako agree sa inyo yan ha, na yung extradition laws hindi mag-apply, pero sige na lang, i-concede natin yan. Pag-usapan natin ang extradition treaty. May treaty ba tayo on surrender with the ICC? Wala. In the first place, ICC is an international court. Treaties are only entered between and among independent states. So therefore, if there is no extradition law, and there is no extradition treaty or surrender treaty, yan ang modality, legal modality apply mo. Wala. So kung walang legal modality, bakit mo arestuhin si Senator De La Rosa? Di ba tama? Oh, wala silang sagot po dyan. Pangalawang argumento, okay, surrender. Meron na tayong IRR implementing rules on surrender? Wala. O bakit mo nakapin si Senator De La Rosa?